Hello, and welcome back to the MindCatcher's channel. If you saw part 1 or the first video, you know what we're doing. We're coming up with different types of wing liners for people who really don't know how to do them. We're using liquid eyeliner, so let's just begin. All right, so my eye is clear. I don't have on any makeup, no foundation, brows not done, anything like that. All I have is my trusty eyeliner, liquid liner. This is from Urban Decay, and this is the Perversion liner. It is very good. Don't have a problem with it. It's waterproof. Well, they do have it non-waterproof, but this one is waterproof. So if you're a person that tears up, this would be perfect for you. All right, so we're going to look at our eye here. Look at our eye. Now, when I do a wing liner, usually I start from this outer corner and I start to create the wing liner. But in this tutorial, we're going to start from our inner corner. Now, this is just how I do it. Now, I try to get as close to my lash line as I possibly can. For those of us who are a little shaky, or you know, you can't keep your hands still, you shake a little bit and you feel like you're going to mess up, rest your hands on a table, get your mirror, and, you know, get up really close to the mirror, and we're going to start. So we're going to go to our inner corner, and you're resting your hand. You're also resting your hand on your face a bit, giving yourself a little bit of leverage. Okay, I kind of turn my head to the side. I'm looking down into my mirror, and I'm starting from that inner corner. I'm keeping this line as close to my lash line as possible. Another thing, if you feel like you're going to blink, take your hand away, blink, come back. You're trying to keep it as close to the lash line as possible. And you're following the shape of your eye. Even if you see right there, I made like a little mistake right there, but that's fine. Because once you put on mascara, you're not going to see that, okay? Even with the most sparse eyelashes, and mine are, you see I don't have much of a lash, okay? So we're keeping, you could even just use the tip. I like to lay my, my brush, or my liner this way. But if you feel more comfortable using the tip, do that. Actually, that might be a little easier for some people, using just a tip and getting in as close to the lashes as possible. Okay, and we took it all the way to the end. You notice it gives you a darker look. It even makes your lashes look a little fuller. So very nice. Look at that. You have your eye with nothing on there. And then you have your eye with a little bit of liner there. So you can see it kind of builds up that lash. Makes you look like something's going on. And you see it's a little hang right here. Just a little bit of a wing here. And all this is for people who don't like all that dramatic, you know, that big wing hanging off the side. You can just make a tiny little triangle. You're going from your bottom lash line right here. I'm going to make a little dot. See right there? And we're going to go up a little bit, not past the top lash line. Don't go past it. Right there. That's it. You're going to connect and fill it in. And that's it. Look at that. Now, if you want, you can put some black liner in your bottom lash line. Let me try to find a pencil here. Okay, I have a blue pencil, I'm sorry. So I will press here. You really shouldn't pull, because all it does is give you premature wrinkles. You should press. And you're just applying liner right there. This is all I could find. It was right here on the desk. I didn't mean to use blue, but it is what it is. Okay, you see what it looks like. And also, because we're here, I want you to see the full look. I'm going to use some mascara. This is the Urban Decay Lash Freak Mascara. And you know there are different types of eyeliner and mascara, and you just try until you find something that works for you. Some are waterproof for people who tear up a lot. Some are not. All right, so we're going to put a little bit of mascara up there. We're going to build up our own lashes. I want you to see what it looks like, because there are some ladies who say, I don't wear falsies. Okay, so that's what we're looking like, and I hope you can see the difference between the eye with nothing and the eye with something. Now use your imagination when your brows are done and looking nice and crisp, and then you have on your liner and your, your mascara and your bottom lash line is hooked up and everything. You have on your foundation. It's going to look so well put together. I'm going to work on those bottom lashes. Again, this is Urban Decay Lash Freak Mascara. Very funky looking wand. Got a lot going on this wand. Okay. I hope you guys can see pretty well. And just for video's sake, I'm not going to really attach this lash. I just want to stick it onto my lid really quickly, just so you'll see what it looks like with a lash. Okay. So we're just going to stick it there. It's not, I didn't apply any glue to it, so it's not going to stay put. Just want you to get the visual. Okay, and that's what it looks like with a lash. So like I say, you just imagine all your makeup on, or you could keep your top lid nice and neutral just with a little foundation powder just to, brighten up your lid, because some people have darker lids, darker under eyes. But that simple little wing, some eyeliner and mascara, that's all you need. Really, it is. Very, very cute. And very easy to do. All right, so that is it. I hope that you guys like that one. If you haven't watched the first wing eyeliner, that one is even easier than this one. So check that one out. I'll link it up here and down below in my description box. Let me know which one is your favorite, and I'll be working on the third one very shortly. Talk to you in the next one. Cyber kisses. Bye.